How do organisms reproduce?
What is reproduction?
Reproduction may be defined as the production of new generation of individual of the same species that are physically independent of their parents.
Why do organisms reproduce?
Organisms reproduce to increase their number. Reproduction gives group immortality by replacing the dead individuals with new one for the survival of species on this earth.
Why do the organisms belonging to the same species look similar to each other?
The reproduction involves a mechanism called DNA copying or DNA replication, which is capable of producing similar multiple offsprings.
What are the types of reproduction?
Type of reproduction. First, asexual reproduction. Second, sexual reproduction.
What is asexual reproduction?
In unicellular plants and animals and some multicellular organisms, the mode of reproduction is asexual. In this case, the organism doesn't make zygote. There are following types of asexual reproduction. First, fission. It may be a splitting of a unicellular organism into two or more than two separate daughter cells. It may be divided into two parts. First, binary fission, when parent cell divide into two small parts nearly equal size identical daughters. Example, amoeba. Second, multiple fission, when parent cell divides into several small nearly equal sized daughter individual. Example, plasmodium. Second, fragmentation. Some organisms reproduce by breaking off their bodies into small pieces. Each pieces is called as fragments. These fragments grow into new individuals and the mode of reproduction is called fragmentation. For example, Spirogyra. Third, regeneration. It may be defined as the ability of regenerating the lost part of the body which has been removed by the injury or autotomy, self-empulation. Examples, some lizards can break off part of the tail. Fourth, budding. It may be defined as the production of new individuals from an outgrowth of the parent individual. Example, hydra. Fifth, spore formation. A spore is a single or several cell reproductive structure that detach from the parent and give rise directly or indirectly to the new individual.
Ma'am, what is vegetative propagation?
It is a method of asexual reproduction in which the parts other than the seed are used as propagules. Natural method, vegetative propagation. First, modified tuber roots can be propagated vegetatively when planted in soil. Example, sweet potato.